piny Kenya osego okang' malach kotenore kod yiero mokalo mane otako duol mar IEBC. Lipot mane osidi kod jakom mare Roslyn Obede moyango ni jokanyo mopogore opogore mokelo kanyakla bad Migago mar obila, duol mar Owi Oganda kanyakla mano NCIC, riwruok mar kanise NCCK, duol mar IEBC, duol mar IPOA, riwruok mag joneno ILOG kin mamoko ne onywako tich kamoro achiel e kinde yiero mane oni ratiro mar oganda jo Kenya ne orit kendo ne chop kare. Kata kamano duol no bendo yango ni ne nitiere monj mag siasa maromo 47.
In election matters, in some areas it has improved, in some areas it is still lagging, but sad to say in some areas we retrogressed. The 7 cases captured in 2022 include 3 deaths which occurred during the campaign period and 4 which occurred during and after the polls. The cases were from 6 counties, namely Kisii, West Pokot, Trans Nzoia, Kisumu, Bungoma, and Nairobi.
We started very, very hard to look into this idea of creating peace and looking into inclusivity and looking into recognition of diversity and making sure that our elections will be peaceful.
With a mandate to play a liaison role between the service and the IEBC, including other critical electoral stakeholders and partners. It is this liaison role that gave us a seat at the table of critical decision-making